Hi guys, this is just me filming about my lock journey. My hair today, it's best to film it or take a picture. A little bit about me. I've been natural 3 times. I've tried it so many times. Went natural first in the early 2000s. I ended up with this short fro. Now, this was the time when people were still wearing the perms or the, straightening their hair and all that kind of stuff. Nobody was into the natural thing. So I had to walk around with this fro and people wondering, dang. But I really didn't care what people thought. I just wanted to try something different and bam, there it was. I dyed my hair, I straightened that little fro. I did everything I could possibly do to that little fro. My hair only grew to here after years, like after 5 years, I only had this length and my curly hair was so damaged. I didn't cut it the second time. Second time I just let it grow out and I trimmed the bottom. Tried again. Hair was beautiful, it grew and grew and grew, and I didn't straighten it and color it until 2018 in July. I wanted, before we went on vacation, I wanted purple color in my hair. I'm thinking I'll go get this permanent box color. Hair was permanently straight. Like I had no curl pattern after that. I'm like, oh my goodness, what did I do? What did I do? I just started over like 3 years ago. What, why? I thought about it, I said, you know what? I'm gonna start over again. Why not do it again? Cut all the hair off. And until now, this is the hair. It's still growing because I cut it super short. I just wanted something different this time. I've done the natural thing. I'm over it, but I love my hair, love my curl pattern. I wouldn't go back to a perm or anything for anything in the world. I still wanted something different. My cousin has sister locks, and she was like, yeah, girl. She said, you'll love it. You'll feel so free. You can go, you can wet your hair and go, wash it and go. You don't have any problem. YOLO, you really only live once. So I'm gonna try it. Start researching on Instagram, YouTube, looking at different types of locks. Because I wanted sister locks. I researched it, and when I saw the price, oh nah, that's not in my budget. I'm not even gonna go there. I've done my own hair before. I can do it now. Ain't no problem. And if it don't turn out right, then I go to somebody. I looked at the microlocs, the DIY starter microlocs. You can do it with twist, or you can do it with braids. What I did was I tried to twist. It took me probably a week to even finish my head, to be honest with you. I started with my front up here, and they were bigger than this. I started doing my back after that, and they were smaller. And I'm like, dang, I did my back smaller, so I gotta do something with my front. I had like 127 up here. So I took each one loose, one at a time. I put 4 twists where that one was. Now I have more up here. I made them very small, and I make my back small. I want the microlocs, the DIY microlocs. So in order for me to do the microlocs, I had to do them smaller, because my twists, time steam hit them in the shower, they puff up. So I wanted to make sure they were small enough to when they start to dread up, I like the dreads that I have. And they're kind of to the point, to the type of dread that I want. So I did it like that. But as you can see, let me see, they're actually small. I've had them in now for a week. I started off, I plaited the roots. If you can see it, I don't know. It's my gray strand, haha. I plaited the twist at the root, and then I twisted on down to the bottom. So I have a lot of these little babies all around in my head here and my back. A lot of them in the back here, as you can see, I think. But it took me a while to finish. The thing about it is, if you're gonna do your own DIY locks, if you're gonna do your own and this is gonna be more of a permanent style, you really gotta make sure that you do it right. You don't want the locks that you didn't want in your head. You don't want that. So it's best to take your time with your locks. If it takes you a week, 4 days, or however long it takes you, it's good to take time to do it, because if you don't, you're gonna have something in your head that you don't want. I have so many, but they're getting a little fuzzy around the roots. The roots were clean. Like you could actually see some type of grid pattern. I kind of like my curls on the end. Basically, I'm just waiting for my hair to do what it does. I can't wait to see the outcome. It's so easy to do. It doesn't take a lot. Once they grow out, I will be getting them interlocked. I won't be the one interlocking them. That's the whole point of me getting dreads. That's the process, and that's what I did. I'm straight up loving my hair right now. Let me see, I'm gonna stretch them out some, because they get so curly, especially when I get in the shower. Yeah, starter locks for me, baby. I hope this video helped some of y'all. When I was looking for starter dreads, I could not find the type of twist that I wanted. The medium-sized twist, large twist. I went to Instagram, I saw one girl with the type of twist that I want. Her hair is so pretty. I want mine just like that. If I can't get the sister locks, I would definitely try to get these. I went and tried it on my hair. This is what I got. I'm loving it. Loving it. And I will see y'all next time. I don't know how many twists I have in my hair right now. I will do a count video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.